Please subscribe and ring the bell to never miss an update. No two estate sales are ever alike. Today on Lady Mary Beth, I will share with you some of these finds from a hybrid garage sale and estate sale, along with ways to incorporate these bargains into your gifting, entertaining, and reselling. A friend alerted me to something that was featured on her Facebook neighborhood page, that a family was wanting to have an estate sale for their mother moving into assisted living. As I got closer to the home, I realized it was advertised instead as a garage sale. Found a couple of neat items, and then I was invited inside for some amazingly beautiful things. First off, I found this Chico's rain poncho and Christmas yard art, a cute penguin that I'll give to my aunt. She loves penguins. And one of my favorite finds of the day, the pet gear brand Pet Ramp. We have a senior collie dog that has trouble getting in and out of the car, and this is perfect. The original bill of sale is inside. It was $70, and I paid $1 for each of these items. Also outdoors at the garage sale, I found these Sur La Table new in a box bowls. This is called a grapefruit bowl, perfect for cereal. Still has the price tag of $7.95 each. And the deep pasta bowls, and the white, of course, is versatile to go with anything. And I got 8 of each for just a few dollars. That was quite a deal, and can go with any dish pattern. And these were only $1 each. This is Denton china from England, and the flowers are hand molded. It's got the stamp on the bottom. And on Etsy, these were $45 for the pair. So $2 for the pair is a pretty good deal. And now I have moved indoors, invited to see the lovelies. And I got a set of 6 etched glass luncheon plates. I really like the size on these. And these were $1.50 each. And I just couldn't resist. Put that on top of transferware or a busy pattern, and it shows quite well. And you'll notice this sheer green overlay that was also in the garage sale, and I got that for just about nothing. And I love the color. I feel like I could almost create a whole table just with these few items. And this cherry blossom arrangement is especially nice. That was just a couple of dollars. It's got moss and glass pieces inside, and is a very simple, airy table centerpiece. And I could see a luncheon with those. And simple and elegant, these sophisticated glasses remind me of Simon Pierce. I'm not sure, I'll have to do some more research. I got 5 of these just for a few dollars. Those are lovely. And keeping Easter in mind, I have this pressed glass egg box. That was just a few dollars, and I think I could do something fun with that on the Easter table. And a very simple creamer and sugar that goes with any pattern. Very inexpensive. And I got a set of 6 of these modern etched bowls. I'm thinking this could be great for fruit with brunch, or even ice cream for dessert, or maybe a stemless martini glass. They remind me of Waterford's. I didn't see a mark on it. Very creative. I like the edgy look. And these are the glass items that I found inside at the estate sale. The cream and gold holiday linens on a rack outside were just a prelude to this gorgeous Mikasa wedding band china that I found inside. A 5-piece place setting for $10, plus this oval platter was $75. What a deal. And it's very versatile. It's a fluted white pattern with a gold rim. You could add any kind of accent plate and use for any holiday. You could even maybe dress it down a bit with a casual bowl or sherbet on top. And this really lends itself to so many different table looks. It is quite nice, and because I don't need another china pattern, I will probably sell this on eBay. It does go for quite a lot. Replacements ask $50 for place setting. And you know I find Waterford wherever I go. 2 glasses. I don't recognize the pattern, but it is in the shape of Maeve with a slightly different pattern. And these were just a few dollars each. And how wonderful to have 2 Waterford wine glasses for a deal. The lady of the house has fine taste, and I know that she has lovingly collected these items over the years. I'm happy to incorporate these into my entertaining. This quatrefoil metal tray is a stunner. It would be great for a buffet, placing food, or even a monogram in the center, and you could gift it to someone. Wouldn't that be great? Or you could display it on this easel that came with it. So nice. I'm really glad to have this piece. And these everyday iced tea glasses my family is especially excited about because we have 100-year-old vintage glasses that we use every day, and they want something that they don't have to worry about if it breaks. So these will come in handy. And this crystal pitcher, it's not Waterford, but it is definitely a fine crystal. Such a lovely piece. And all of these items here featured on this beautiful blue tablecloth, matching napkins as well. This was sold as a grouping. I simply placed items together that I was interested in, and we came up with a price. So it's really hard for me to tell you what each item costs, but probably the tray was maybe around 10 or 15, the pitcher maybe $5. This Waterford compote was quite the find. It's rare that there's a piece of Waterford that I don't recognize. It has the telltale 16 cuts at the base, just like the stem patterns. And inside these rosette cuts, I had never seen on a Waterford piece. And it truly is Waterford. I found the acid etch stamp on the bottom, and that is a wonderful piece I'm glad to have. And this lovely Bombay and Company tea set was something I had never seen before. It comes with a creamer, sugar, coffee pot, and teapot. I looked on eBay, and these are $100 for the set, but they don't have the platter, so that adds a lot of value, and I will be reselling this. And more Waterford, the Glandor sauce boat. This, I think, is from the late 70s, early 80s. You can see the size is not uniform. One is a little bit larger than the other because they are handmade. And this would make a great gift. You could include your favorite recipe for chocolate sauce, or simply buy maybe a raspberry sauce, place it inside, wrap it in cello with a ribbon, and you've got a great gift that didn't cost very much. I will share some tips in a future episode. And this sweet little crystal syrup pitcher is great for breakfast for 2. Could also be tea for 2 as well. Comes in handy. I actually have the same one, so now I've got 2. And this sugar bowl is beautiful cut crystal. One of the finest gifts that I ever received for graduation was a Waterford crystal sugar bowl with a sterling silver petite ladle. And I still use it for cinnamon and sugar for French toast in the morning. So wouldn't that be great? You could include a nice cinnamon from your favorite spice store and present that to a friend as a gift. It doesn't have to have the matching creamer to be a very useful and beautiful item. And these are some of my favorite finds today from the estate sale. I didn't only find tabletop. You knew there would be a grand prize for me to showcase today. This beautiful side table or nightstand appears to be from the Regency era. It has fine brass detailing, burled wood, and a bevel-edged marble top. I don't know if it's original or reproduction, but I do know that I have found a similar item online at Scully & Scully for almost $4,000. I paid $60 for this today. The best part of estate sale shopping, besides finding a new china pattern, is meeting wonderful people. I enjoyed visiting with the family of the lady who is downsizing, and I can appreciate the collection that she has acquired over the years. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. Elevate your everyday with estate sales. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.